Neetu Neetu 2020 again 2020, right? This is the password we have signed out. Or email is already available, right? Neetu 2020. We're going to give 2020. Sign in. Neetu 2020 is the user ID. Okay. And Neetu, you do not have permission for the admin page. So you can see that Neetu has logged in. And now Neetu is going to log out. Again, if Neetu want to come to this page, right, and she want to check either this page or admin page, right, she has to log in, right? So when she is clicking either of these two pages, she has to log in first. Then she will go to the Paras online store, either the home page or the user info page. If she has do not have permission, then she will not allowed to go to the admin page. So this is the main page. So again, and if user want to try to log in with the Facebook and Google, then she can try with that. So if user have already ID, right, so user can log in with the user. So currently it's not working, we will see later.